The reality of aging is inevitable, and it can sometimes feel like a race against time. As we age, we're all searching for that fountain of youth, that magic elixir that can turn back the clock and restore our youthful vitality. And its power to influence not just our physical health, but also how we feel, both inside and out. Our bodies go through significant changes as they age, which can sometimes leave us feeling drained, worn out, and longing for those carefree days of our youth. But what if our diet could be the key to unlocking a more vibrant, energetic, and youthful version of ourselves? But what if the secret to a more youthful you is unhidden in some far-off land or behind some complex scientific experiment? With a little creativity, you can easily add blueberries and walnuts to your daily meals and snacks, transforming them into delicious and nutritious options that will fuel your body and mind. Simply blend blueberries, walnuts, yogurt, spinach, and your choice of milk or milk alternative until smooth and creamy. This smoothie is not only packed with nutrients, but also offers a perfect balance of flavors and textures. The sweetness of the blueberries, the creaminess of the yogurt, and the crunchiness of the walnuts come together to create a delightful sensory experience that will leave you feeling energized and ready to conquer your day. What if it's actually in your kitchen right now? Their rich, buttery flavor and satisfying crunch add a delicious depth to any dish, while providing you with essential nutrients. In addition to smoothies and oatmeal, you can enjoy them fresh or frozen as a delightful snack or dessert. Their vibrant color and sweet tart flavor make them a visually appealing and tasty addition to any meal. For a truly indulgent treat, whip up a batch of blueberry muffins or pancakes. The aroma of freshly baked goods filled with juicy blueberries is sure to transport you back to simpler times when life felt a little sweeter and every day was an adventure. You can also use walnuts to create a nourishing salad dressing by combining them with lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil. With a little creativity, you can enjoy the delicious benefits of these superfoods while feeling great. So why wait? Start adding blueberries and walnuts to your diet today and discover the positive impact they can have on your energy levels, mood, and overall well-being. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to big transformations in how you feel and how you age. Embrace the power of nutrition and unlock a more vibrant, energetic, and youthful you. The creamy texture and robust flavor of the walnut make an excellent base for a dressing that's perfect for drizzling over your favorite salads. Welcome to our show, where today we're rediving into the fascinating world of food. We've all heard the saying, "You are what you eat." And when it comes to aging, this couldn't be more true. The foods we consume have a profound impact on how we age, both in terms of our physical health and our mental acuity. In this episode, we'll explore the surprising ways that certain foods can make you feel younger, more energetic, and more engaged with life. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the incredible connection between what you eat and how you age. Are you tired of feeling like you're constantly battling fatigue, brain fog, and a lack of motivation? Imagine if there was a simple solution that could help you feel more energized, focused, and ready to tackle each day with enthusiasm. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants that help protect our brain cells from oxidative stress, while walnuts contain healthy fats that support overall brain health. By incorporating these foods into our diets, we can improve our cognitive performance, increase our focus, and even elevate our mood. It's like giving your brain a natural boost that helps you feel more awake, more engaged, and more motivated to seize the day. What if it was something as accessible as a blueberry smoothie or a handful of walnuts? It might sound too good to be true, but the science of nutritional psychiatry tells us that the foods we eat have a direct impact on our mood and energy levels. When we nourish our bodies with nutrient-dense foods like blueberries and walnuts, we provide our brains with the fuel it needs to function optimally. But the benefits don't stop there. These foods also support better sleep, which is essential for restoring our energy levels and allowing us to wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Another fantastic way to incorporate these superfoods into your routine is by making a refreshing blueberry smoothie. If you're looking for a more substantial meal, consider adding walnuts to your breakfast cereal or yogurt parfait. And let's not forget about the versatility of blueberries. As you can see, incorporating blueberries and walnuts into your diet doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. 10 best foods that are high in collagen to help you live better after 60. As we age, our joints begin to ache and our bones become weaker and more prone to fractures. It's all because of a decrease in collagen production by the body after the age of 25. And this decrease is even more rapid after 60. But that doesn't mean there is nothing we can do about it. In fact, there are plenty of things we can do to help our bodies produce more collagen naturally. Fish is another excellent source of collagen, providing about 17 grams per 100 gram serving. It's also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are anti-inflammatory and can help reduce joint pain and stiffness. Vitamin C also helps protect against joint damage caused by inflammation. You can easily include citrus fruits in your diet by adding them to salads, smoothies, or simply enjoying them as snacks. Some of the best fish for boosting your collagen intake include salmon, sardines, mackerel, and cod. It contains compounds like allicin, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can help support joint health. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are high in collagen and other nutrients like vitamin E and zinc, which is needed for collagen synthesis. They also contain antioxidants, which can help reduce joint pain and inflammation. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can help your body produce more collagen naturally and maintain healthy joints as you age. Remember, it's never too late to make changes to improve your health and quality of life. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Stay and happy. Add beans to your diet by including them in salads, soups, or as a side dish with your meals. They also contain healthy fats and fiber, which can help reduce inflammation and support overall health. Enjoy nuts and seeds as snacks or add them to your meals like salads or yogurt. Add garlic to your meals by including it in stir-fries, marinades, or sauces. They also contain other antioxidants like beta-carotene, which can help reduce joint pain and inflammation. They also contain some collagen and other important nutrients like vitamin C and copper. Enjoy berries as snacks, smoothies, or desserts to boost your collagen intake. Add bell peppers to your diet by including them in salads, stir-fries, or fajitas. Try incorporating these fish into your diet at least twice a week by making dishes like baked salmon with roasted vegetables or fish tacos. And one of the best ways to do this is by eating certain foods that are rich in collagen or the raw materials that our bodies need to make collagen. They're also a great source of biotin, which is needed for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. To boost your collagen intake from eggs, make sure to include the egg yolk in your diet as the whites don't contain much collagen. You can enjoy eggs in many different ways, such as scrambled eggs with spinach or hard-boiled eggs with avocado. So in today's video, we're going to be sharing with you the top 10 best foods that are high in collagen that you should include in your diet. If you want to improve your joint health after 60, let's get started. Number 1. Bone broth. When it comes to boosting your collagen intake, bone broth is the clear winner. This nutrient-dense liquid is made by simmering animal bones, cartilage, and connective tissue for hours, which extracts all of the collagen and other nutrients they contain. It's also a good source of other important nutrients like vitamin C and selenium, which are needed for collagen synthesis. Make sure to choose organic free-range chicken whenever possible to ensure it's free of antibiotics and other harmful chemicals. You can include chicken in your diet by making dishes like grilled chicken breast with steamed vegetables or chicken stir-fry. Just 1 cup of bone broth provides about 30 grams of collagen, which is more than enough to meet your daily requirements. Not only that, but bone broth also contains other important nutrients like glucosamine and chondroitin, which are essential for maintaining healthy joints. It's best to choose a high-quality organic bone broth that's free of additives and preservatives. You can drink it on its own or use it as a base for soups and stews. No to chicken. Chicken is a great source of collagen, providing about 24 grams per 100 gram serving. Number 3. Fish. Number 4. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile and affordable source of collagen, providing about 14 grams per 100 gram serving. Number 5. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, limes, and lemons are high in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen synthesis. Number 6. Bell peppers. Similar to citrus fruits, bell peppers are also high in vitamin C. Number 7. Berries. Berries, like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are high in antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and protect against joint damage. Number 8. Garlic. Garlic is a flavorful ingredient that's also rich in antioxidants. Number 9. Nuts and seeds. Number 10. Beans. Beans, like black beans, kidney beans, and chickpeas are high in collagen and other nutrients like vitamin C and iron. There you have it. The top 10 best foods that are high in collagen to help you live better after 60. Today, I'm going to uncover the unseen connection between raw vegetables and inflammation. Because what I've seen over the last 15 years of seeing thousands and thousands of patients is that many people are eating tons of raw vegetables and they still inflamed. And in general, vegetables are good for us. But there's a problem with raw vegetables. And the problem with raw vegetables is that they contain lectins, lectins, okay? And lectins are proteins found in plant foods that can bind to the cells in your body and cause inflammation if you have leaky gut. But the solution to leaky gut involves two things primarily. But in the meantime, if you're eating these vegetables that have lectins in them, in fact, I'm getting worse. Well, that could be the reason. You might want to try cooking your vegetables. Is there a problem with eating cooked vegetables? Please share it in the link down below. Not really, because cooking them denatures these lectins. And so then you don't have this binding to the cells in your gut. And especially if you're juicing them. Okay, because when you juice them, you're concentrating the lectins. So you're retaking all the fiber out, and you're reconcentrating these lectins, and you're re-drinking them down, right? And so that can make things worse. So can eating raw vegetables make you feel worse? One is to stop eating the foods that are causing the inflammation in the gut, which usually involves cutting out the grains, the sugars, and the starches. But the other thing that's really important is to start eating foods that heal the gut. Nightshades are potatoes, tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants. And so technically, you shouldn't eat those raw. They should be cooked. But the good news is that you can cook them, and they don't really change the flavor all that much. And the best food to heal the gut is bone broth. Bone broth contains something called glycine. And glycine helps to heal the lining of your stomach or the lining of your intestines. It actually heals the tight junctions, which are the doors that keep the bad stuff out of your gut and the good stuff in your gut. And so the question is, who has leaky gut? Well, 25% of the population has some degree of leaky gut. And leaky gut usually comes from eating too many carbohydrates, eating too many grains, eating too much sugar, right? So those things create the inflammation in the gut. And then when you eat the raw vegetable with the lectins bind to the inflamed gut and create more inflammation. So it's kind of like adding fuel to the fire. Okay, it makes things worse. And so I want to explain why. Well, you don't really know unless you do an intestinal permeability test. And that's very expensive. It's not covered by insurance, and you have to get a sample of your stool. So most people don't get tested for leaky gut. So how do you know if you have it? Well, you can look at your skin. Is your skin very dry? Do you have eczema or dermatitis or little red bumps all over your skin? That could be a sign of leaky gut. Also, if you have digestive issues like bloating, constipation, or diarrhea, that could be a sign of leaky gut. If you have arthritis, that could be a sign of leaky gut. And even autoimmune problems can come from having leaky gut. So leaky gut is a serious problem. So let me first say that I'm a big fan of vegetables, okay? Now, how do you know if you have leaky gut? But here's the kicker. Most people that go to the doctor never find out that they have this leaky gut because the doctors do untest for it. And so they keep getting worse and worse and worse. And usually what the doctors will do is they'll just prescribe medications to cover up the symptoms. And the problem with that is you're never really addressing the root cause. Now, I've done other videos on leaky gut. If you want more information about that, just type in leaky gut in the search box below. So the combination of cutting out the junk foods and then adding bone broth is a very powerful way to heal the gut. And I've seen this over and over and over again, where someone's like, I went on this raw food diet. I'm eating all these vegetables and fruits and I'm not getting well. Now, there is one exception. There is one vegetable that has lectins that is not destroyed by cooking, and that's the nightshades. All right, thanks for watching. Hey, before you go, if you're benefiting from any of my content, I would love to hear about your success story.